Hi guys, I'm so glad to be back. It's Miss Cochran and Snuggles. We're going to read our story today. Do you remember the name of it? Say Teddy Bear, Teddy Bear. That is the name of our story. It is adapted by Theo Jefferson and illustrated by Kathy Ember. She drew the pictures. The illustrator draws these beautiful pictures. Teddy Bear, Teddy Bear. This time I want you to chant along with me. When you hear Teddy at the beginning of each page, we're going to say Teddy Bear, Teddy Bear. And I want you to repeat that. Are you ready? Teddy Bear, Teddy Bear. All right, let's go. Teddy Bear, turn around. Teddy Bear, touch the ground. Teddy Bear, sit on the floor. Teddy Bear, run out the door. Teddy Bear, put on your coat. Teddy Bear, hop on a boat. Can you guys say these words with me? Coat. Say coat. Say boat. What do you hear? Coat, boat. Coat and boat are rhyming words. That means they sound the same at the end. Can you say coat, boat? All right. Did you hear any other rhymes as we were reading? Let's go back. Let's look. Say floor, door. Do they sound alike at the end? Floor, door. Say around, ground. Around and ground are also rhyming words. Let's keep reading. I want you to listen for those rhyming words. If you hear them, you can give me a thumbs up, okay? Teddy Bear, touch your nose. Teddy Bear, wiggle your toes. Nose, toes, thumbs up, rhyming. Teddy Bear, tap your feet. Teddy Bear, take a seat. Good, you heard him again. Feet, seat, or rhyming words. Looking at this picture, what does take a seat look? What does that mean? Take a seat. We can look at the illustration to help us. It does. It means to sit down. Look at how this teddy bear is going to sit down. He is taking a seat. He found a chair to sit in. Can you take a seat? Teddy Bear, climb a tree. Teddy Bear, pat your knee. Thumbs up, knee and tree. Can you repeat that? Teddy Bear, climb a tree. Teddy Bear, pat your knee. Teddy Bear, jump up high. Wow, look at that. He can jump really high, can he? Can you get up and try it with me? All right, let's try it. Jump up high. Good job. Teddy Bear, shut one eye. Another rhyming words. High, eye. He looks really tired, doesn't he? Why do you think he's so tired? It looks like he's been really busy. Teddy Bear, wave bye-bye. What do you think this teddy bear might do next? Why do you think he might do that? He's waving bye-bye. What do you think he might do? All right. So here's our Teddy Bear. Today we read our story for shared reading, Teddy Bear. And he did a lot of different things. I'm going to leave this story here. Can you repeat some of them for me? And can you have your teddy bear do anything different? And can you share it with us? All right, I can't wait to see your teddy bears. I will leave a song for you guys to listen to too.